Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Snickers ice cream is probably one of the most anticipated and delightful frozen treats to hit the market, combining the iconic chocolate, caramel, and peanut flavors of the beloved candy bar with a cool, creamy ice cream base, all enrobed in a chocolatey shell, making it a perfect indulgence for any fan of the classic Snickers experience looking for a refreshing twist on their favorite snack. Number 5. Ring Pop Lollipops 20-count assorted flavors. Get ready for a burst of fun with Ring Pop Lollipops. This 20-count pack features a variety of assorted flavors, perfect for any celebration. With so many delicious flavors to choose from, there's a Ring Pop for everyone. They're the perfect way to add a sweet surprise to any occasion. Each lollipop is individually wrapped, ensuring freshness and making them easy to share. Enjoy a clean and delightful candy experience every time. Looking for the ideal party favor? These make fantastic goodie bag stuffers and are a guaranteed hit at kids' birthday parties. Add a touch of sweetness and excitement to your child's next event. They'll love the unique ring design and the vibrant, fruity tastes. Stuffing goodie bags. These are a classic choice that kids always appreciate. They bring smiles and a memorable candy experience. What we like. If you're looking for a fun and interactive candy experience, this is it. The wearable design makes it a unique treat for kids. If you need party favors or goodie bag stuffers, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The ice cream is creamy and delicious, with a good balance of chocolate and caramel. The chocolate coating is crisp and satisfying, and the peanuts add a nice crunch. It's a refreshing treat on a hot day, perfect for satisfying a sweet craving. Number 4. Snickers, TWIX, 3 Musketeers, Milky Way Variety Pack. Get ready for back to school with a variety pack of your favorite chocolate bars. It's the perfect treat for lunchboxes or study sessions. Enjoy full-size versions of Snickers, TWIX, 3 Musketeers, and Milky Way. Each bar is individually wrapped for freshness. These assorted chocolate bars are ideal for Halloween, parties, or movie nights. They're also great for road trips. This bulk candy box provides plenty of treats for everyone. Stock up and be ready for any sweet craving. With 4 popular types of milk chocolate bars, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Share them with friends and family. Make your next event or snack time a little sweeter with this convenient variety pack. It's the ultimate chocolate assortment. What we like. If you love variety and want to please a crowd, this bulk pack is perfect. It offers a selection of popular full-size chocolate bars. If you're stocking up for parties, movie nights, or just want a good mix for snacking, this is the way to go. What people say. The ice cream is creamy and delicious, with a good balance of chocolate and peanut butter flavors. The chocolate coating is rich and satisfying, and the peanuts add a nice crunch. It's a refreshing treat on a hot day, and the portion size is just right. Number 3. Markk Essential Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for keeping your footwear looking its best. This essential kit provides everything you need for a deep and effective clean. Our powerful cleaning solution works wonders on dirt and grime. It's designed to tackle even the toughest messes, restoring your shoes to their former glory. The included durable brush is perfect for scrubbing away impurities. Its sturdy bristles ensure a thorough clean without damaging your shoes. Worry less about material compatibility. This kit is safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including leather, rubber, and plastic. Elevate your sneaker care routine with this all-in-one package. Keep your favorite pairs looking fresh and new, ready for any occasion. Whether it's your favorite sneakers or other footwear, this kit is your go-to for maintaining pristine condition. It's an indispensable tool for any shoe enthusiast. What we like. If you want to keep your sneakers looking pristine, this kit is essential. It provides a powerful cleaning solution and a brush designed for deep cleaning. If you're a sneakerhead or just want to extend the life of your footwear, this is a must-have. What people say. The ice cream is creamy and delicious, with a good balance of chocolate and caramel. The chocolate coating is rich and satisfying, and the peanuts add a nice crunch. It's a refreshing treat on a hot day, perfect for satisfying a sweet craving. Number 2. Yonanas Classic Frozen Fruit Soft Serve Maker. Introducing the Yonanas Classic, your new favorite way to make healthy, delicious frozen desserts. It's perfect for creating guilt-free treats in minutes. Transform frozen fruit into smooth, soft-serve ice cream or sorbet in just minutes. You can enjoy your favorite flavors without any added fats, sugars, or preservatives. Get creative with your desserts. Make healthy, vegan, keto, and dairy-free options, or explore 36 included recipes for pies, parfaits, and more. Cleanup is a breeze. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the base wipes clean easily after each use. Whether you're making a single serving or enough for the whole family, this machine is designed for your convenience. Enjoy fresh, homemade treats anytime. You can trust this product, a favorite for over a decade. It's BPA-free for your peace of mind and comes with a 1-year limited warranty. What we like. If you're looking for a healthier alternative to traditional ice cream, this is your answer. It turns frozen fruit into soft serve with no added fats or sugars. If you want quick, simple, and guilt-free desserts, this machine is ideal. What people say. The ice cream is creamy and smooth, with a good balance of chocolate and caramel. The chocolate coating is thick and satisfying, with a nice crunch. It's a great size for a single serving, perfect for a treat without being too much. Number 1. Cuisinart ICE 30 BCP 1 ES Automatic Ice Cream Maker. Create delicious ice cream, frozen yogurt, and more right at home. This machine makes it incredibly easy to whip up your favorite frozen desserts. The double-insulated freezer bowl holds up to 2 quarts, perfect for making enough of your favorite frozen treats to share with family and friends. Enjoy perfectly frozen desserts in under 30 minutes. Its heavy-duty motor does all the work for you, automatically. Customize your creations with the large ingredient spout. Easily add nuts, chocolate chips, or fruit to your frozen desserts as they churn. Keep your kitchen tidy with its smart design. It features retractable cord storage for a neat and organized countertop. Everything you need is included to get started. You'll receive the double-insulated freezer bowl, a paddle, and a recipe book for inspiration. Rest assured with its durable stainless steel construction and BPA-free materials. It also comes with a limited 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. If you enjoy making homemade ice cream and want convenience, this machine is a great option. It's fully automatic and can make up to 2 quarts of your favorite frozen desserts. If you like adding your own mix-ins and want a reliable, high-capacity maker, this one is for you. What people say. The ice cream is creamy and delicious, with a good balance of chocolate and caramel. The chocolate coating is rich and satisfying, and it doesn't melt too quickly. It's a perfect treat for a hot day, providing a refreshing and satisfying dessert experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.